So it's a little update time for the 10-inch tablet from China. Hey, welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. And a while back I did a review about this 10-inch tablet. I was reading a lot of comments about fake tablets. I did some research and yeah, it's some pretty weird shit, I can tell you already. So I did some capturing of what were my personal experiences with this tablet. And yeah, I just wanted to make a small update video about it. So stay tuned and let's go. Alright, now we're going to check out CPU-Z. Before I'm making this video, I tried to remove it, and the first thing that was pretty weird is I couldn't remove it from the device. So that is really weird. Alright, but I managed to update it from the store itself. And what you can see here is it's still showing this CPU. So let me know what you think of this, but because I don't know what to think about it anymore. It's just pretty weird that I can't remove it. I can update it, so I can stop the app and reinstall it from the store, and it was showing that the app is updated. But still, and there was another weird thing that I was seeing, and this is here that is saying 9020 by 1200. Should it be that 1080? But that can be me. So, and overall, there's already weird shit going on. Available storage, my PC says it's around, let's say, almost 12 gigabyte. It was 11,8, but here says 12.553. So that's really weird. So yeah, and overall, I did a benchmark, but that program was also pre-installed, and yeah, a little weird, pretty damn weird. Alright, but let's check out the storage space, and here's where it's getting really interesting. We're getting here 7,66 gigabytes of internal storage. I put up some testing files, so we're going to swap between this. I don't think you can see it, but this one, let's see if I can find a very nice one. These are all 1,6 gigabytes. And there are a lot of big files on it. They still work, but alright. For example, this one is almost 1 gigabyte. Yeah, alright. We're going back to this one. And we got so if I remove this one, I should be having around, let's say, 8,5, let's say 9 gigabytes of internal storage. So removing this one. Yes, remove please. Going back to the storage space. Do I need to refresh it? And now I have 11 gigabyte. So, as you can see here, the storage space is fake. So yeah. Alright, for the final conclusion about this thing. What I think is really weird is that I cannot remove the CPU-Z. That is very weird. But I've managed to update it. And still it's giving the same specification. The resolution is a bit weird, but yeah, let me know what you think of this. So the storage space is not 64 gig. That is something to be sure about, because it's doing some weird shit. So they faked me out with that one. I must say that if you look at the screen and all the other things, they feel here like a cheap tablet. But in overall, yeah, is it a 100% fake? I don't know, but I think it will be. A lot of people were saying in the comments, if the storage is fake, everything is fake. So, seems to be everything is fake. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm making this video. Just wanted to let you know, and I paid not really much for this. I didn't pay 200 or 300 euros or something like that. So that's one thing to feel sure about. I just gave this one to my dad, so he's happy with it. He can browse the internet, and so yeah. Let me know what you think. In this case, yeah, be careful to buy a tablet from China. And I think just go to your local store. Alright, Want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell. See you next time. Bye bye.